This is the Honda CB750 bike that my dad's fixing up for a neighbor. This is a 1977 CB750. This thing was sitting in the garage for about 6 years. And then brought it over, had us fix it up, and they sat in our garage for 3 years actually. And my dad's been fixing up the carburetors. They're all gummed up, so a few weeks of work to this thing has really done a lot. A few weeks ago, this thing was just sitting over here in our garage, not doing anything. And then my dad bought these carburetors. They're sitting in a concoction that we made up, a bunch of oils and paints and stuff that we don't need, so we got these off eBay for $60. So these still need some fine tuning, and the seats right here, and let's get an overall look at the bike before we start this baby up. Quite sure how this works. There we go. Gas tank. I'm not sure how this works. Huh. I'll have to figure it out later. Okay. And I'm sure I'll be very happy after we get it back to him. 1977 Honda, good stuff. Been charging the batteries, and this thing runs very well. So I'll now show you guys it starting up, the moment you've all been waiting for. I'll show you the basic things first. Powered on. It's here. Turn signals. I didn't know they beeped. Your horn. Start it up. Yep. Okay. That's about it.